Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I know, long time no see. My apologies for this. In this video I will make 3 cute puppets for on the shelf. Saw and plane your lumber into the correct size. You can perfectly fine use scrap wood for this project. Cut every piece on the miter saw. At the body you need to cut out some squares for the legs. Now it's time to drill some holes for the towels so you can attach everything to each other. At the end I'll glue all the parts together so the puppet will not be movable like a marionette. Okay, now let's move over to the laser and we'll let the laser do its thing. If you have a laser engraver, you can design your puppets as you like. Knocking off all the sharp corners on the belt sander. Let's drill some holes in the legs for the feet and then we can make the shoes. Some dowels I'm already gluing in place, but for gluing the puppet together, I'm waiting until it's colored with Rubio Monocoat. For the coloring process I used the oils from Rubio Monocoat. Now that everything is dry, I can glue everything together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in one of my new videos or maybe in one of my older videos. Bye!